Delft Island, Coral Island of Jaffna Peninsula. Love greeting to you all. We take you to the beautiful island with a hope that today will be a happy day for you. It's natural for our mind to always be entertained. A trip to Delft Island gives you all the beauties of nature. Mangrove forest captivates the mind as the green beach of the farm beach flood in the sea. These are the special beauties of Jaffna. Moderate beauty is the oceans that make us feel like we are floating in the air too. A trip to the island is a trip to enjoy the season. The mind is very impressive with the water and land along the path as well as the birds and greenery. The flowers blooming on the dry ground are a feast for the eyes to shock up the snowdrops that have fallen in the beautiful sunny sky. How many thousands of birds swim in the Strahan water after the monsoon rains continue in the middle of the sea? It's so beautiful about birds. Tens of thousands of birds that invade the season swim in the variety of ways. Numerous birds such as watercrows, Siberian grinds, duck tarantulas, herons, gulls, terns, citybugs, helimodus, squaws, shellwaters, razorbill, dovekey, mirrors, cormorants, auklet, malbur, nodils, skimmer, and so on that down in clear water. Boats will be waiting for you to reach the marker beyond this. If you sailed and sailed to our mainland, the deep sea would float us. The journey to surprise will continue to see the fish leaping across the floating waves. The white ground and tall Palmyra trees make us realize that we are approaching the island. Descend the small landing and let us set foot on the white island. If you continue, the sculpture of whales at the door will welcome us. Get in the waiting vehicle and look around. Next, where do we go? If you think about it, the horse that ran before your eyes are the Long Island horse. Yes, this is the island with its special course running across the wide expanse. No matter how majestic, no matter how fast, there are no words for comparisons. Next is our Mediation Fort. The oldest fort stands regret. It's full of fine stones. The stones are as beautiful as a mattress studded with birds. A miracle along the way, branches spreading regret, unusual but beautiful with branches. The devout court has been standing upright for centuries. The Beyond Hall was built by Colon to keep in touch with countries and to care for birds. Nearby is the court of British period. Surprisingly, there were all the blocks that a court should have. Everything on the island is innovative. Even the boundary fence are lined with stones. Palmyra trees are everywhere. The bayok tree stands upright and stretches beyond the mat. This age group is too velvety to build. gain airway on the way. One wonders if this is the airplace of those who came from the sky to see the beauty of the island shining like heaven in the Indian Ocean. It grows miraculously day by day in the midst of white sand, the miracle of the stone growing amazing the beholder. The blue and green seas are the feast for the eyes, and the waves crashing against the shore like white clouds are a white despairing. Banyan forest is an evergreen forest covered with branches without a main tree. White beech tent waiting to cool off in the approaching sun. In the evening, come this beach will be filled with joy. Adding to the beauty of the island is the elongated shoreline of Kalvari. Staked with bubbles, this long stone wall symbolizes the strength of that island. The Queen's Tower stands tall as you cross the Kalvari. The tower has stood unbroken for centuries. With so many beauties inside, the beauty lines that show whales adventuring in the ocean outside are not included. The deep sea is full of 1,000 wonders. Lovely whales and the bouncing of dolphins are the beauty that fill the sea. These dolphins that roam around the Cayman Friends will destroy the city without knowing where it was. See you again with another interesting one.